Hi, everybody. It is Wednesday, November 13th, and this corrective move that we've been having on the SPX for the last 2 days is looking like a fourth wave. Of course, if it continues down, I would actually okay, here's the deal. If this could go to 9 and to 930 or 940, 930 to 940, I would feel much better about which count we have. So, because right now we can have multiple counts. So, we all agree that this is wave one. We all agree that this is wave two. But this area here, we don't all agree. I personally like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and putting wave one of three here, putting wave two of three here, and that we continue up in some way, you know, and we extend. And my count, this count, my favorite count, if this is 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we would go closer to like 6,800. If wave one and wave two are here, we would extend upwards all the way up to 6,800. But yeah, hold on. This is my favorite count right here. I would like to see us go down lower, and then we would have all of these nested wave ones and twos, and it would be amazing, and we would just be going up crazy. It would be great, right? So let's look at this. Let's stare at the beauty of this possibility. So we have 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5. I mean, we would definitely go pretty high in the market, and that would be fun. This is the one I want, but what I want is not what we might actually have. What we might actually have is this being wave. Hold on a second. What might we actually have? Wave one and wave two. And then this would be wave one. This would be wave two. This would be wave three. And this would be wave four. And then I lost my little five. Where's my little five? Where did five go? Five. All right. So five would take us to the 100 or close. It would take us up. And yeah, so let's have a look at this count. Let's stare at this count for a moment. This is a much shorter count. You can see that, and it's depressing because the market probably would not go above 6,500. So for this possibility here, where it's 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5, we definitely wouldn't get past 6,500. And that's a little sad, but it also makes sense because we would have the Christmas rally, and then in January, the market would get weak, and that would be the end. So this, unfortunately, my soul hurts to say this, but unfortunately, this makes a lot of sense, and it makes me sad. And that's just what we have to deal with. Plus, the next video, I'm going to go through the DAX. I always look at the DAX because the DAX can give me a heads up to what's going to happen to the SPX. The DAX has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The DAX has 5 waves up. Let's be completely honest. The DAX has 5 waves up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is, worrying. And then we have this bizarre corrective wave here. Now, I believe that this bizarre corrective wave, to be honest, as an Elliott waiver, I have no idea what this is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then this bizarre thing. That's weird. So yeah, we're just gonna have to wait to see. But I think there's a little more downside to the DAX. I think we're gonna make one more, or 1 or 2 more little lows here, and then go up. So and I think it's a WXY. I'm pretty sure ABC, ABC, ABC. So wave Y would be here. So I think that's what we're doing on the DAX. But that's a creepy little correction. And then we should go up with the US stock market. But I think we need to, yeah, unless this is all wave one, two, three. If this were to, if once wave Y is finished, if this were to really rocket upwards, then that would, you know, that would tell us some stuff about the S&P count that we have. And we need more information to know which S&P count we have. So, what should you do as far as trading is concerned? What should you do as far as trading is concerned? This so let's actually go to SPX on investing. What should you do as far as trading? So we are not very strong right now. We're not very strong right now at all. I would not go long. I would not go short. For the record, I use these investing.com free charts just because for some reason they're easier for me to read. So I would not this yeah, we're definitely not ready to go long. You can go long upon a breach of 6009 because this is probably, you know what, don't go long. Just don't go long. You can go long. Okay, yeah. Yeah. Here's the deal, everybody. You can go long at a breach of 6009. This high right here. This is where you could go long, right? But right now, it kind of looks like this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 1, 2. This is probably gonna go down. We're not done going down. And I can't I'd like to see the options data. I don't have the options data right now, but I think we're gonna go down. It looks weak. So here for day traders, Wednesday the 13th, go long above 6009. Else stay out of the market because I still think we're going to fill that 930 gap. And then tomorrow we will see what the overall big count is. Because if we go down, if this continues to go down, then I think I'm going to label this a wave 2 instead of wave 4. And that would be very interesting and that would be more bullish for the market. So that so I'm going to say it one more time. Do not go long above 56009, else stay out of the market, and we will continue this discussion tomorrow.